Modern International School. Topic: Addition on Abacus.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. In last video, I explained basic concepts of abacus, how to hold an abacus and how to put the bits on abacus. Now today I'll explain addition of bits on abacus. So let's start. So student, we have to add the numbers 3 plus 1 on abacus. For that what we will do? We'll put this 3 on abacus and 1 is also here, so total is 4. So we'll write 4 here. Now we will do another sum. 12 plus 6. We have to take 12 on bits. For that 10 plus 2 and then 5 1 6 and then add 10 plus 5 15 and 3 18. It will become 18. Now we have to do 25 plus 3. For this we have to take 25 plus 3. 25 and this one is 3. 28. Answer will be 28. Now 3 plus 4. This one will 3 and now 4. So guys, no remaining bits are here for 4. Only one remaining bits are here and it will be 5. So what we will do for this 3 plus 4? Now when we cannot add directly to bits because we don't have enough number of bits, from now onwards we have to introduce a concept called friends. We have 3 different kind of friends. Whenever we cannot add number directly, as like we have seen in this previous example, and then we make use and friend concepts. In abacus, we have 3 different kind of friends: small friends, big friends and lazy friend. So today we will learn about small friend concepts. So now I'll explain small friend concepts. In small friend concepts, boss is 5. At the boss 5, we have to list the friend 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the friend of 1? Friend of 1 is 4. Friend of 2 is 3. Friend of 3 is 2. And friend of 4 is 1. And boss is 5. So how can we solve on abacus by small friend? Let's start the sum. So let's start the sum 3 plus 4. For that, first we will take 3 on one's row, and then for 4 we will apply small friend concept. For that we'll take 5. So at the boss 5 less the friend 4. At the boss 5 less the friend 4. And who is the friend of 4? Who is the friend of 4? Friend of 4 is 1. So what we will do? At the boss 5 less the friend 4. So friend of 4 is 1. So we have to less the 1 and then answer will be 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Clear now? Answer will be 7. Now one more question I am explaining. 4 plus 1. For that we will take 4 is here, but 1 is not available here. We will apply small friend concept. For that Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. And what is the friend of 1 is? Friend of 1 is 4. Answer will be 5. One more question is 4 plus 2. We'll take 4 on one's road. Now 2 is not available here, so we'll apply small friend concept. Again we'll take 5, but add the boss 5 less the friend 2. Add the boss 5 less the friend 2. Who is the friend of 2 is 3. So what we'll do? Add the boss 5 less the friend 2. So what will be the answer, guys? Answer will be 6. Now we will take the number 23 plus 44. For that 20 and 3. 23. Now 44. For that 40 is not remaining here. For that what we will do? We'll apply small friend concept. Add the friend 5 less the friend 4. Who is the friend of 4? 1 is the friend of 4. So add the friend 5 less the friend 4. And then this 4, again what we will do? Add the boss 5 less the friend 4. And answer will be 67. Now we'll add 234 plus 464. For that we'll use 100 number of rods. 234. So 234. Now add 464. 464. Add the boss 5 less the friend 4. Now 6. Enough number is bits are here, so we will take this one is 6. And now 4. For that not enough number is here. That's why add the boss 5 less the friend of 4. Now this will be the answer. 698 will be the answer. Then we will add the number 4213 plus 3444. For that we will use 1000 number of rods. 4213. These are the 4213. Now we have to add the number 3000. 3 is not enough number, our bits are here, so add the boss 5 less the friend 3. Friend of 3 is 2. 4. Not enough number, our bits are here, so add the boss 5 less the friend 4. Friend of 4 is 1. Same, add the boss 5 less the friend 4. Add the boss 5 less the friend 2. Friend of 2 is 3. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 7655. Answer will be 7655. So guys, I hope that addition by small friend concepts is clear to you all now. It is request to you all, do regular practice at home. That will improve your abacus learning. In next video, we will learn about addition on abacus by big friend concept. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching us. Please like, share and subscribe.